this is the sanitary napkin vending machine or dispenser machine, you can say dispenser machine also. Okay, ये automatic totally automatic vending machine है. इसका कैपेसिटी है 50 कैपेसिटी. ओके, दिस इज द कॉइन एक्सेप्टर. दिस कॉइन एक्सेप्टर कैन एक्सेप्ट मल्टीपल कॉइन्स. दैट मीन्स 1 rupees of 5 coin of 1 rupees, 2 coin of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupees or 5 rupees. Means you can create the value of 5 rupees, then you will get the napkin from collection area. Okay, I have 5 rupees. See, the stock is here, 50 capacity. The storage capacity is 50. You can collect the napkin from here.